What if your AI assistant didn't just talk but acted for you? Let's rewind a bit. The first chatbots? They were basically digital parrots, spitting out scripted replies. Fast forward to ChatGPT and its cousins, suddenly, conversations felt real. But here's the twist. Now, AI agents don't just chat, they do. Today, these agents can schedule your appointments, write code, even trade stocks, all with just a nudge from you. The secret sauce. Frameworks like AutoGPT and Crew AI. They give AI the autonomy to act, not just react. Think of AI agents as interns that never sleep. They learn by doing, picking up new skills every day. But unlike interns, they don't need coffee breaks or vacations. So, why is this happening now? The tech's finally caught up. We have the data, the models, and the tools to let AI off the leash, safely. Of course, we still need to supervise, set boundaries, and make the rules clear. Looking ahead, I see a future where every workflow has an AI coworker, ethical, tireless, and always learning. Tomorrow's workforce, it's going to be human plus agent. Are you ready to work alongside your digital coworker?